Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and I've got Sump Pump 101. Class is in session. Okay, typically down in the lower level of your home, whether it's a basement or if it's a walkout area, you may have a sump pump. Maybe you've never seen it before, but it sort of looks like something like this. You'll see a single pipe coming out of a hole in the ground. That's the sump pump down below. As this pipe comes up, you may see a device that looks similar to this. It's a check valve. The idea behind that is when the pump engages to pull the water out, there's like a little door here that opens up, and the water goes up and out of the house, either into the backyard, the side yard, maybe even into the sewer system. And when the pump shuts off, you may hear a banging, like a closing of a door. That's this check valve closing, and so that the water below here would just kind of drain back into the sump pump. But this, from this point up, water is being held in this pipe. Now the pit on this one has a lid, as you can see, and if you're going to do any kind of work on this, you'd want to remove this pit out at the top of it to pull this up to expose the pump below, and then before you did any work on that, you'd want to go ahead and unplug the pump first like this to make sure that there's no electrical power. Now this is a whole setup here. We're not in a real basement, but chances are if you walk down into the lower level and you see something like this, you have a sump pump, and we have other videos that'll show you what to do to make sure you're maintaining it properly. And that's it. If you'd like more information, go to our website, acehardware.com. Please follow us on YouTube and stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.